Hello, my name is Chien, and welcome back to the video learning tutorial regarding to the SQL Server. Okay, so today I will continue with another video in this series. You can access to my channel on YouTube to see another previous video. Okay, so I will open the SQL Server here. And today I would like to talk about how to detect and attack the database into the SQL Server Management Studio tool. Okay, so basically when you want to deliver the database to the customer or the friend, so you have two ways. The first way is you create a backup file, and after that you deliver to them and they have to restore it. And the second way is you create you detect the database and pass that file to the friend, and after that they have to attack it to the database. And I have also finished the video with how to create a backup and restore database in SQL Server previously. So today I would like to talk about how to do with the detect and attack database. Okay, so now for example, I have database in learn SQL Server DB here. Firstly, I should know the location of that file. You click to file here, you copy this path, open the window run, and open this here. You can see here we have the database file and also the log file regarding to the learn SQL Server DB. The database file is with extension MDF and the log file is LDF. Okay, so now you will try to copy this one. I will open the laptop and paste it here. Yes, you cannot copy it because it is currently using and open in SQL Server. So you should cancel. I will close it first. And okay, so in order to copy the database file and log file into another folder and you pass it to your friend, you have to detect it first. Right click on the right click on the database name, and you can see we have the task. And on the first top we have detect option. Click on it, and you click OK, leave it by default, and click on OK button here. After that, the database instance will be removed here, and you can open the location of database and copy it. And now no issue. For your create a folder here. Continue. Continue. Okay. Okay. Now, if I try to delete the data file here, yes. And after that, for example, after that, when you deliver it to the friend, and for example, this one is a folder of on the friend PC, and they don't have the database. So you can copy the friend can copy it to this folder, and they can also copy it to another as well. So for example, in this video, I will try two ways. The first way, I will copy it into another location on my PC. So copy to another drive. Okay. Now I open the SQL Server. Right click on the database and click on the attack. Add. Okay. The F new folder dd new folder. We have learn SQL Server DB MDF. Okay, so after that, the log file will automatically link here. You click on the OK button. Yes, you can see here the learn SQL Server DB already back. Yes, it worked as previously. And now if I try to remove it, detach it again, and if I click on the drop collection here, no problem. The same thing here. Okay, and after that, I come back to open the data folder, and if I copy it here, the path is very long. Okay, so let's open program Microsoft SQL Server. Okay, attack C program SQL Server Microsoft SQL Server. MS. Yeah. Okay, it's back here. Okay, so here, for example, you click on the help button and click on the about. You can see here this one is the version SQL Server 2014, and if you pass the database file to your friend, and on this on the PC, they install the lower version than this version, so they cannot attack it into the database. So they have to install the same version or the higher version in order to attack it. Okay, so I hope that helped. And after you finish this video, you know how to detect and attack the database. And when you want to deliver the database to your friend or your customer when you are working in a project. Okay, so I hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye, and talk to you in another video. Happy coding!